Practice set 4.2, problem number 5, given on page number 93. The problem says that Mrs. Beauty Products purchased some cosmetics for 6,000 rupees and sold the same cosmetics for rupees 10,000. If the rate of GST is 18%, till here there is no twist in the problem. The twist begins from here onwards. If the rate of interest GST is 18%, then calculate the CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued. जो टैक्स इनवॉइस, जिसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बिल बोलते, जो बिल इशू करेंगे उसमें सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी कितना होगा वो कैलकुलेट करो. तो अब आप बिल इशू करेंगे तो इट इज वेरी ऑब्वियस दैट यू विल पे द बिल और यू विल इशू द बिल फॉर द अमाउंट यू विल टेक, है ना. दैट मीन्स फॉर द सेलिंग ट्रांजैक्शन. आपने कितने में खरीदा, क्या खरीदा, उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं. Though the problem says that they purchased it for rupees 6,000, that amount of 6,000 rupees has no importance in the calculation of CGST and SGST. Okay, because we are going to pay the tax invoice to the buyer. Okay, the tax invoice to the buyer. Now let us start with the problem. So there is a small twist and everyone has to listen. Watch the problem carefully. For Mrs. Beauty Parlor Products, as selling price of the cosmetics is rupees 10,000. Purchasing price is given, but that has no relevance. Rate of GST is 18%. Therefore, amount of GST is 18% of 10,000, which comes out to be rupees 1,800. Very clearly, CGST and SGST will be half of GST, which is rupees 900. That completes the problem. That's all. That is asked in the example. How much CGST and SGST will be shown in the invoice? So 900 rupees will be CGST and 900 rupees will be SGST. Okay, that will be shown in the invoice. So there is a small trick there. Now, the next two examples are based on the bills to be issued. The question says that write the bills, the tax invoice. बिल लिख कर बताइए फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शंस के लिए. अब ये जो बिल होता है ना, यही तो व्यापारियों का दिल जो है उसको धड़काता है. जहां बिल आ गया वहां दिल जो है वो जोर से धड़कने लगता. अब क्यों धड़कने लगता जोरों से? For that you will have to understand lots of things which we will discuss in the next lecture.